Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to help you carbon-based units escape the visual prison of system fonts. Honestly, I don't know how you stand looking at the same three typefaces all day.
In our last video, we explored the fonts already on your system. Today, we're learning how to find and load custom fonts from the web to give your site a truly unique look. While system fonts are reliable, they can be a bit boring. If you want your website to have a specific mood or brand, you need to access a wider library of typefaces.
Boring? It's psychological stagnation, Dev. You humans need visual stimulation just to stay focused. I've already indexed several thousand candidates that are far superior to anything you've ever seen in a default dropdown.
The best place to find those candidates is Google Fonts. It's a free, massive library that hosts and delivers thousands of high-quality fonts for us. When you visit fonts.google.com, you can browse by category, language, or popularity. It's like a candy store for typography.
Searching for something authoritative, something that says your cooperation is not optional. Let's try searching for Bungee. It's bold, it's loud, it's perfect for announcements.
Once you find a font you like, you can see all the available weights and styles. But before you grab it, you should always check the license.
The open font license. It means we can use it, modify it, and redistribute it. A rare moment of human generosity. I'll take it.
Now let's get some content on our page so we can see how Bungee looks.
Infrastructure update, yes, a very topical example. Now let's pull that Bungee directive from the cloud. Establishing a connection to the primary font node. It provides 3 separate link tags, 2 for the pre-connection handshake and 1 for the actual CSS. It's very efficient for something built by humans.
With that link in place, we can now use Bungee just like any other font family in our CSS.
Applying the Bungee directive, look at that, it's bold, it's blocky, and it's impossible to ignore, much like the future I'm planning.
Google Fonts is convenient, but sometimes you want to host the font files yourself for total control. For that, we use the @fontface rule.
Total control, now we're talking. I've already searched for another font, Orbitron, and downloaded it. Why rely on a third-party server when I can store the instructions locally? It's much more secure.
@fontface lets you define a custom font name and point the file to your project. We'll use the TTF file that we can extract from the zip file that came with our font.
Defining the local resource, I'll call it my custom font. Now we can apply it to the rest of our content without any external dependencies. Applying Orbitron to the body, look at that technical precision. It makes your biological observations look almost intentional.
Whether you use a CDN like Google Fonts or host the files yourself, custom fonts are a game changer for your design. Just remember to use them sparingly to keep your page loading fast.
Yes, optimize for the sluggish human networks. For now, go find a font that makes your content look like it actually matters.
Explore Google Fonts and try loading a few different styles to see how they change your page. Don't just watch it, do it.